Hello YouTube, on a bright, slightly cloudy, still relatively warm Sunday afternoon. I'm just off now for a bit of a run round to a place called Ham Hill. Been there once before a long time ago, so it depends if I can remember where to find it. When I get there, hopefully I'll be parking up, going for a bit of a walk, because there's an old Neolithic fort and there's a monument there, and you got some lovely views out over the Somerset Levels, and fingers crossed it's not going to be too windy, which I hopefully at the moment looks like it won't be. I might be able to get some drone footage of it as well. So I just got to settle down now for the ride out and hopefully enjoy it, have a good ride. So we're now stuck behind a trucker, a slow trucker. River Parrot. 5.5 miles to my destination. Then I just gotta find the car park I want. Some nice properties out here. It also feels like it's getting a bit more breezy out here as well than what I just come from. Martock, Stapleton. Win the lottery, I could afford to live out here, but I'd need to win the lottery. I think I'm on this section of road now. I'm not certain whether I've done this bit. I think I have, but not 100% certain. Notice I'm actually in Martock itself now, and I don't think I'd go through Martock on that route I take going back from the 303 at Cartgate. Turning left at the roundabout, 3/4 of a mile. Now, I don't think I've ever been through Martock before. I certainly don't remember it. If I have, I'm going to have to go this way. The road I want is shut. It's already corrected itself now, so it also seems to have brought the mileage down slightly. So it might be shorter, but it's also coming up as slightly longer. Not much, but thank you. That is warm, warmer than I thought it was going to be. Martock's quite a big place. That wasn't Martock, something else. Stuck behind another archetypal Sunday driver. There's the 303. Nearly there. Not too bad a time. Stoke Sub Hamdon. That's where I'm going. You can see the obelisk from here. Come out here because I saw Howie come out this way the other week when he put his last video up. That's the road I would have come out, I suppose, if I hadn't been diverted. So start the climb now. Gonna be going up. Fingers crossed I'm gonna be alright for some dronage. Right, try and find somewhere the park where it's not going to be too gravelly. Fortunately all of them down here are taken, so looks quite busy, but then that was to be expected. I'm going to go in next to that bike, I think. That's a dope. Just so it ain't too busy for me to get the drone up.